guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable new rewrite AI feature on Windows 11 Notepad app. When you open the Notepad, here you can get the new option. As you can see guys, rewrite preview. Okay, if you want to disable it, so actually this is a new AI feature. If you want to disable it, just click on settings gear icon, scroll down, and here you can get the option rewrite. Just turn it off from here. That's it. Now go back into your home screen. As you can see guys, the rewrite option feature is not showing in our Notepad home screen. This is the way to disable it. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.